so we're going to get AutoCAD installed. And the first thing you have to do is actually, let me share my screen here. Okay. So the first thing we can do is in the course folder that I sent you, you can come into software download links. And we're not going to worry about SolidWorks Access right now. We're just going to click this AutoCAD student download. Go ahead and open up that web page. Move this over. Okay, so I am, oh, it looks like I'm not signed in. Okay, so when you come in here, just go ahead and click Get Started. And you can click Student, enter your date of birth. So my birthday is September 1st. I'm going to go down to 92. Click Next. Go ahead and enter your information. So I already have an account. So go ahead and enter first and last name. Use your hack email address, your like hawkmail.hack.edu, because you're going to have to confirm your email address, you're going to have to confirm that you're a student. So you have to like send them in like an image proving you're a student. So I already have an account. So I'm going to go back over here, sign in. And then once you're signed in, go ahead and click Get Started. So basically what you have to do now is make sure that you, or like they want to verify that you are in fact a student so that you can download the software for free. Otherwise it ends up being like $450 a year if you pay for the full year for AutoCAD Lite, and that's like $2,500 for the full software. So this will get you access for a full year. So go ahead and do your enrollment date. They're going to ask you for proof that you are actually enrolled. So what I submit, or what I used to submit, I have full access to the professional version of the software. But what you can do is submit. So like I would submit this as a professor, showing that my name is the professor for this class. What you could do is just take a picture of your class schedule, or take a screenshot of like the snip command or whatever of your class schedule, and submit that to them. Usually it takes about a minute or two. I mean, it's very, very quick, and they will send you an email. Let's pull up my email here. They will send you a confirmation email. It may or may not, this process in Autodesk changes every couple of years. So maybe even year to year, sometimes they kind of change it and it's a little bit different. But realistically, it'll probably be an email that looks like this. It'll just say, thank you for registering your product, and you'll have a serial number. When you go to open up AutoCAD for the first time, it'll either ask you to log into your account and then it'll just work automatically, or it will ask you for the serial number, and it will come from this serial number right here. And after you enter your information, it'll ask you, what year to download. Just like this email's from 2019. Or no, it was actually from 2 years ago, but I was downloading the 2019 version. Whenever you're watching this video, just download the most recent AutoCAD version. So this year it's going to be 2023. Download 2023, and that's what we'll be using in class. If you're watching this in 2025, go ahead and download the 2025 AutoCAD, and that's what we'll be using in class. All right. Go ahead and do that. If you have any problems, shoot me an email. Generally, it's pretty straightforward. I don't get a lot of issues with the AutoCAD installation for my students. But if you do run into some issue, we can jump on a Zoom, and I'm also going to go over this at our first class meeting. All right. Good luck.